Before you sign that influencer contract, make sure that you've answered these 3 critical legal questions. Today I'm joined with Annalie, who is our legal counsel, who's going to be helping us answer those. Welcome, Annalie.
Thank you so much, Raya.
When brands work with influencers, typically what are the biggest mistakes that they make?
One of the biggest mistakes brand makes is actually that they fail to set up the expectations clear with the influencer from the beginning. So legally that means that the contract is often lacking something important. That could be the scope of work, the intellectual property rights, as well as with timelines, with everything that goes on with the collaboration. Without these, it's quite common that disputes arise between the influencer and the brand. So if you have this set up straight from the beginning and clear with the influencer, you can avoid some of the disputes that may arise and conflicts with influencers as well.
What's the best way for brands to stay compliant with FTC and EU rules?
Yes, so compliance is always a bit difficult when you go cross borders, and the key here is actually to educate both the influencers and sometimes even influencer managers as well about the different guidelines that the countries has for influencer marketing and how to advertise on social media. And that is usually available on the government website and also the consumer website. So if you check these guidelines, you have a pretty clear and basic understanding of how it works with the influencer marketing. And if you're a bit unsure, you can always consult with a legal expert that are aware of these circumstances and can help you while you expand your brand.
Final question. How important is it to have a solid influencer contract for protecting brands, and what are the key things that should be included in their contract?
So having a clear contract really is the foundation for the whole collaboration with the brand and the influencers. So some of the things that you should include is the scope of work, which actually defines like what is going to happen in the collaboration, along with payment terms, which is very important, like how they're going to get paid, when they're going to get paid, and how much they're going to get paid. Along with dispute processes, because if you have that, you're pretty much covered in case something happens. So having this clear, you can have a solid contract with the influencer and also protect yourself.
So there we have it, 3 super important questions that you need to make sure that you have the answers on before you sign your next influencer contract. So follow us and you can learn more tips like this and others in future episodes. Thank you.
Thank you so much.